A 3/3/10, 3-car garage, 2,900 square feet home on more than an acre of incredibly beautiful, indescribable, unique, tropically landscaped property. It offers not only an outstanding home and floor plan, it shows like it's brand new with all the bells and whistles and way more than anyone would expect to find. Incredible is the only word. This home has barely been lived in and shows perfectly. A great home in $1 million plus estate community. Central Lakewood Ranch Country Club East location. You won't believe the upgrades, quality finishes, unexpected, high-end detail the owner has added to create this masterpiece. Brand new kitchen, 8 appliances, custom cabinetry and more. Owner spared no expense and it shows. The setting created in the rear of this property is more beautiful and unique than imaginable. The home is designed around the unique outdoor area and features a very large, oversized lanai and 2 additional entertaining areas and tropical oasis under the stars. It's lushly landscaped, features a wooden bridge walkway to the koi pond and onto the paver deck entertaining oasis. The home features 2 large freestanding seating areas, gas grill, smoker egg, refrigerator, and the most beautiful waterfall, pond, flowers and foliage you will see anywhere around. Tens of thousands of dollars were spent to create this unique, livable tropical oasis. A totally private setting. No loud golfers, golf balls or early morning lawnmowers here. Seeing is believing. It's beyond describing. A must-see for sure.